What's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the iframe tag. So what we need to do is first use the iframe, and I need to talk about it, right? So the inline iframe tag is used to embed another document within a current HTML document. Another embedding. It's usually used in iPhones, something like that. The old iPhones like iPhone 3 GS, like that. So what I'm gonna do, use the iframe, and the SRC, just put this one. And yeah, you can adjust the height and the width, but for now I'm not gonna put that. So just put a website. You can see, you can put anything you want, any website, just put that. So this is what it does though. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.